Certain conditions can take a toll on the battery in your Subaru. Over time, it can start losing power, and you don't want to be stranded without a working one. So when you come in for service, we'll perform a battery test during our free multi-point inspection. We use a precise Subaru-specific machine to monitor its health. The machine's computer tests the battery's state of charge to determine if it has a bad cell. It also has the ability to check other related components, like your starter and your alternator, which is responsible for recharging your battery. Our factory-trained teams will interpret the data and share the results with you. And if your battery needs replacement, we can install a new one while you're here. We're here to help make it last.